Good morning, class. My name is Jared Kurt Caballo, and today we will try to answer my quiz to item number 2. So, this we have to find our standard form. So, our given focus 2, 2. Directrix is negative 4. My tips, class, is always graph first. So, focus 1. So, we have positive 2, positive positive 2x and positive y2, positive y2. So therefore we have our focus here, then our directrix is in here in line. So this will be our vertex, since vertex could is the half of is, is in between D and F. It's always in the middle, class, because we have 1p here, 1p, another p here, and 2p here. Therefore we have 4p. So let's get back to our topic. Now that we have that settled, let's follow the parabola that opens right formula. So y, because we have because our center isn't at the origin, we have to add something in our y and x value, which is the hk. So h h is for x, then k is for y. But since in our given it's the same number, so therefore we can just safely copy it. So y minus 2 squared is equal to 4 and 3. Class, you may ask, what is this 3? I said this is the distance of D to directrix to vertex, or vertex to focus. That is 1p. 4 times, oh wait, so x minus 2. So 4 times 3 is 12. Therefore, that's our standard form. Thank you, class.